Hi, welcome to my podcast. This is the place where I talk to successful people and ask them practical strategies and tips for achieving growth and fulfillment. Our guest tonight is an amazing personality who has worn many hats: a chemical engineer, a salesman, and now an entrepreneur. As a founder of Bricks, he's working to make the workplaces safer and more productive. He was kind enough to spare some time for us and throw some light on his journey. So, Mr. Siddharth, welcome to our show. I hope you're having an awesome day.
Yeah, अभी तो नाइट हो गया है. It's night now. So I am speaking from Visakhapatnam coastal town in Andhra Pradesh. So it's always a pleasure to talk to you.
It's my pleasure.
ग्लोरियस बना दिया मेरा रिज्यूमे दैट मेरे को खुद ही को लग रहा है अच्छा इतनी सारी चीजें कर ली है क्या.
नहीं नहीं ये बिल्कुल सच है. बिल्कुल सच है. You deserve it. You are now the owner of Briggs. So, can you please tell us how this journey started and actually what exactly your organization does? That also it's important, interesting for us to know what
पहले
your
बता देता हूँ
organization
सर मेरा
does.
what do we do. I'll tell that first.
Yeah.
So after completing chemical engineering and working in a couple of organizations, when we started it from a very as a pipe labeling company. We thought that pipe पे labels लगाएंगे और उसमें धंधा बनाएंगे. Essentially today we are here, we are making workplaces safer, we are making workplaces more productive, and therefore we are making workplaces more profitable. हमारे तीन बिजनेस लाइंस हैं. उसमें हम एक को बोलते हैं फैक्ट्री यूएक्स, जिसमें किसी भी फैक्ट्री के अंदर कंप्लायंस स्टैंड पॉइंट से, सेफ्टी स्टैंड पॉइंट से या प्रोडक्टिविटी स्टैंड पॉइंट से कैसे आप यूजर एक्सपीरियंस को एनहांस कर सकते हैं. दूसरा हमारा डिवीजन है, वी कॉल इट द मशीन सेफ्टी डिवीजन. तो राइट फ्रॉम डिजाइनिंग ऑफ द मशीन टू इंस्टॉलिंग ऑफ द मशीन टू ब्रेक डाउन, एक इट इज अ वेरी स्टैंडर्ड ड्रिवन एंड कंप्लायंस ड्रिवन सर्विस दैट वी हैव. हम लोग कंपनीज को हेल्प करते हैं कि अपना आपके फैक्ट्रीज में जो मशीनें चलती हैं उनको सेफ कैसे रखा जाए. और तीसरा जो कि हमारा काफी नया डिवीजन है, शुरू तो मैंने किया था 2013 में, बट 2022 में वी स्टार्टेड आवर डिजिटल डिवीजन आल्सो. सो इट्स अ होल होस्ट ऑफ इट्स अ SaaS platform. We had a CTO on board in 2022, and then from then on we have been building a SaaS platform which takes care of various processes in a typical industry. तो तीन businesses हैं. So this is what we are trying to do. We are spread across India in 11 cities,
Wow.
and we are also working in 5 countries now. Slowly we are making some headway in Middle East also. We are planning to open an office in the Middle East. We are still looking for places, and we are a team of around 90 people. आते जाते रहते हैं, 90 लोग हैं हम लोग. मेरे दो और पार्टनर्स हैं, शशि और गौतम. So our corporate office is in Bangalore. I work out of Mumbai, and so that's what we do. That's what we are. That's what Briggs is. It's been
Very
a
good.
tremendous learning journey. मतलब जो जो एक entrepreneur देख सकता है वो सब हम देख चुके हैं या देख रहे हैं, in terms of how the pains of growing a business, the thrills of winning orders,
Yes.
the pains of customer complaints. So we are going through it one year at a time.
लेकिन लेकिन वो मैं आपसे वो जो जर्नी का पूछ रहा था उसको शॉर्टकट करके सीधा एक ही पॉइंट पे आऊँ. वो ट्रिगर क्या था जो आपको लगा कि जॉब से निकलते हैं और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के?
अरे
व्हाट
सर
वाज द
बिल्कुल.
ट्रिगर? ओके.
2008 में 2010-13 की बात है. आई वाज वर्किंग इन प्रीवियस कंपनी, एंड ग्लोबल रीजिक चल रहा था हम पूरे उसमें. तो हमारे साथ साथ कई हमारे जो टॉप लोग थे, हम लोग 5 लोगों को जाने के लिए बोला गया था.
ओके. तो दैट वाज
अगर
लाइक
नहीं
ब्लेसिंग इन
जाता,
डिस्गाइज हो गया वो.
ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज, ये एब्सोल्युटली ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज. कोई बड़ा विजन नहीं था सर हमारा.
ओके.
कोई बड़ा विजन मेरा खुद का नहीं. और होता है ना दैट एवरी प्रोफेशनल थिंग्स कि अगर यार हम इतनी मेहनत खुद के लिए कर रहे होते तो कितना अच्छा होता.
या.
मैंने कहा ये बोलते तो बड़े आसानी से हैं हम लोग, वी टॉक अबाउट दिस वेरी लूजली, बट आई थिंक एंड देयर इज आल्सो वन थिंग ना कि मेरे को कई लोगों ने बोला यू आर सो लकी दैट यू डोंट हैव अ बॉस. मैंने कहा दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिथ.
यस.
धंधा चालू कर, व्हेन यू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एवरीबॉडी बिकम्स योर बॉस. योर
यस.
कस्टमर इज योर बॉस, योर एम्प्लॉइज आर योर बॉस. द ग्लोबल रीजिंग हैपेंड. दे गेव मी अ severance package good enough for me to take a risk for 1 year.
ओके.
We started as a small pipe marking company, 1% company, and then we slowly started building it. 1 year, 2 years into it, जब मेरे बाकी दोनों partners भी आ गए, so then we thought कि इसको धीरे धीरे, not a venture funded company, so we are a self funded bootstrapped company, and we have been, by choice we have been like that, and we have been building it slowly and steadily. तो
वेरी
ऐसा
गुड.
कोई grand vision नहीं था, बिल्कुल नहीं था कि $1 billion कंपनी खड़ी करनी है या बड़ा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं था. वी स्टार्टेड एंड देन ऑन द वे नाउ we are much more clearer. In the past 10 years we have become much more clearer that what exactly we want to do, where we are heading, what is the kind of value that we are creating in the market. So we now proudly say that in a few business of ours we are the largest in India.
Wow. And also it's a little bit unorthodox because it's what you explained to me. Okay, I am from telecom background. I'm electronics engineer working in telecom domain. So what you explained to me as what your company does for sure will make more sense for the people who are in mechanical or industrial production.
Yeah, industrial, yes.
I understood the broad overview of that, the envelope picture. I got it, but I did not get all details. But I'm sure what you're doing, not many people are doing. It's quite unorthodox and like different from the mainstream.
Yeah, it is because हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, those are all solutions. We are not doing something which is done by a lot of people. We are not doing trading. We are not a conventional safety company. We are not a conventional productivity या फिर वो जो management consulting firm. नहीं, हम लोग वो नहीं है. So we are a mix of a lot of things. Uh, uh, so what we are essentially trying to solve for, आपने जो बोला ना कि तो हम लोग तीन चीजें किसी भी फैक्ट्री में, टू पुट इट सिंपली, किसी भी फैक्ट्री में तीन चीजें होती हैं, या फिर किसी भी वर्क प्लेस में, विच इज मैन, विच इज
Yes.
मशीन एंड विच इज प्रोसेस. हम
Right.
इन तीनों के लिए फॉर सेफ्टी एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी, बस
Okay.
यही है हमारा काम. उसमें आज हम इंडस्ट्री में काम करें, कल हो सकता है हम एयरपोर्ट्स में भी, परसों हो सकता है हम किसी न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट में काम करें. अभी फिलहाल हम लोग इंडस्ट्री में काम करें. तो एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क प्लेस which has these three things, which is man, machine and process.
Great, great. All the best.
Thank you.
So I'll come to some general discussion as the topic of my podcast is happy, not just rich. So I can very well say you are successful, and I think you are also happy because you are really enjoying what you are doing. So my question would be how can somebody find out what he wants to do? Like you have figured out now what you want to do, and I think you are loving it and you'll keep on doing it. Kya karna hai? And he's just going to office in the morning, coming in the evening. In the evening, he's always thinking, is it really what I want to do? What should he do? What kind of
एक आई वुड नॉट से प्लेबुक, बट मैंने आई हैव बीन अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ human behavior for quite some time now. So do I enjoy what I am doing? Of course, I really enjoy what I'm doing, not because it is my business and I have started this and I am an entrepreneur. Also, if I remove all those titles from my existence, I still love what I do. Sitting in front of customers, trying to solve problems, trying to add value to my colleagues who work with me, and trying to solve for them, trying to solve for any problem that is there at the customer place. I really enjoy doing that. But is it really what I want to do? What would I want? What would I have wanted to do? But it's a waste of time. इसको ना
yes, yes.
उतना इतना ज्यादा तवज्जो दे देते हैं हम कि क्या होता है, इफ यू सी लॉजिकली सबसे बड़े हो रहे हैं. देयर हैव बीन अ लॉट ऑफ things that we have gone through, our conditioning, our parents, our circle, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजों से हम गुजर चुके हैं. And
Right.
when we are also growing up and when we are moving around on the age ladder, we also go through a lot of experiences. तो हमारे जो
Yes.
thought process है वो change होता रहता है, हमारे जो इच्छाएं हैं वो change होती रहती है. So we should be more like water, जो कि flow करता रहता है. So we should go with the flow. But yes, whatever we are doing, we should enjoy. अब वो एंजॉय कैसे करते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए, हाउ डू वी फिगर आउट, हाउ डू वी एंजॉय थिंग्स और नॉट. मेरे आई हैव अ फ्यू थिंग्स which I keep asking myself. One thing is, and these are all very practically implemented on myself, and I am telling this is one thing very clearly is listen to your jealousy. We don't envy things we don't secretly desire, right? मतलब
Yeah.
अपनी जेलसी को, मैं इंसान हूँ, आई गेट जेलस ऑफ पीपल. मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कि आई हैव सॉर्टेड ऑल माय इमोशंस एंड आई एम बुद्धा हुड एट. सो आई ऑब्जर्व माई सेल्फ ऑफ
Yes.
व्हाट आई एम एग्जैक्टली जेलस ऑफ. नाउ इट कैन बी, द वर्ड जेलसी कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय एनवी. नॉट टू कॉपी देम,
Yeah.
कॉपी करना बिल्कुल मेरा वो नहीं रहता है, बट टू फिगर आउट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई एम मिसिंग. क्या क्या मिस कर रहा हूँ, क्या ऐसा वो कर रहा है बंदा जो कि मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई डू. आई लिसन टू माई जेलसी, आई लिसन टू माई एनवी. आई एम नॉट आउट टू कॉपी बट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मेकिंग मी जेलस. इज इट हिज सक्सेस, इज इट हिज वे ऑफ वर्किंग, इज इट हिज सॉर्टेडनेस, इज इट हिज कामनेस, मतलब क्या है जो मेरे को दैट आई एम जेलस ऑफ. एंड देन द सेकेंड थिंग इज ट्रेसिंग माई एनर्जी, नॉट माई स्किल्स. मतलब वेयर डू आई फील मोर एनर्जेटिक इन. स्किल्स तो हम लोग डेवलप कर लेते हैं, वो कंपनी ट्रेनिंग करा के भी कर लेती है, आप पढ़ के कर लेंगे, किताब पढ़ के कहीं से भी कर लेंगे.
Yes. Yes.
But and we are good at many things, right? But what gives me energy? इंस्टेड ऑफ ड्रेनिंग इट। अगर कुछ कर रहा हूं तो मेरे को एनर्जी आ रही है कि नहीं, या मैं मेंटली एग्जॉस्ट हो जा रहा, फिर फिजिकल एग्जॉशन तो होगा, इट इज बायोलॉजिकल थिंग, बट मेंटली क्या मैं उसमें एग्जॉस्ट हो रहा हूँ? इफ इट इज
Right.
गिविंग मी एनर्जी, आई नोट इट डाउन कि ये ना मेरे को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे मेरे को खाना बनाना, आई लाइक कुकिंग, सो कुकिंग गिव्स मी एनर्जी,
Very
solving
good.
problems gives me energy, so I focus on the energy, not the skill. I may be good at, I am very good at Excel.
Really.
I focus on where my energy is. And then one more thing which I have started doing since the last 7 years is, what am I curious about what when no one is watching? Well, when I have no audience, when I don't have to show anything to anybody, when I'm not showing off, what is it that is making me curious? क्या है वो जो which is which I think I will follow that trail.
No, this is really deep, really deep. I mean, really आपने दो तीन टिप्स दी। आई थिंक ये इनफ है क्यूज
Yeah, this
किसी भी
is more
बंदे के
than enough.
लिए। और अच्छी बात क्या है कि आपने क्लियर नहीं लिख के दे दिया कि ये कर लो, ये कर लो, ये कर लो है। उस पर चल के लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं सर।
बिल्कुल। ये जो आपने एनर्जी वाली बात करी, कौन सा काम है जिसको करके आप टायर्ड नहीं हो? फिजिकल
जी।
टायर्डनेस तो आएगी, ऑफ कोर्स।
राइट।
एक दिन I was just talking to somebody where I heard, but just now when you were talking, it reminded me of that thing. What is happiness? Somebody asked me, what is the happiness? Define happiness. Somebody would say, I should have a BMW. Somebody would say, I should have Rolex. Somebody should have bigger house. This definition could be different for everybody. Normally, people are attaching happiness to the physical things, which is nothing to do with that. It's very empty. Yes, we are fortunate enough to say that because the first layer of our needs is fulfilled. Happiness is not directly money. It is something bigger. So that person made a very simple statement. His happiness is knowing what you do and then finding somebody who can pay you for doing that. So the
Absolutely.
second part will get your bills and EMIs paid.
या
And the
वो तो
first one
देना
will
तो है
give
ही ना।
you, yes. So because you have to look today, if you win a lottery of several crores, I
Right.
don't think tomorrow you'll stop going to office. You still
Yes,
will keep on
absolutely.
going because you have to work. Otherwise, what will you do in the morning? So it's not directly money. So that person's formula was very simple: knowing what you do, knowing what you like to do, and then
Right.
finding somebody who would pay you for doing that.
Yes,
Like that.
absolutely.
So really good. I mean, those tips will help my audience in figuring out what they do. Like I, for example, I know that other than my regular job, which is telecom engineer, I like to speak to more people. This is like some of the thing which makes me happy. This learning is my ikigai, you can say. Every day in the morning when I wake up, in the evening I sleep. In between, there has to be some learning. It could be a song on guitar. It could be some new words in a new language. It could be anything. It could be technical stuff. It could be philosophy. So every day in the morning I wake up and every night I sleep. In between I have to add something to my database. That's what makes me happy. And that's how I call it a successful day. Okay, now you are leading a very big organization. I think 90% organization is a decent size organization.
Yes, sir.
Do you come across some people who are you don't feel them like motivated? They are not motivated. They are just coming, they do the bare minimum and then they go. If let's say you come across a person like that in your team, how would you motivate him to do more? Because if this person is just coming, going, he will be getting a paycheck. But I don't think that person is happy. So in order to be happy, he has to like what he's doing. And then as a leader, it's your duty to motivate him.
Right. आधा आंसर तो आप ही ने दे दिया, यू ऑलमोस्ट गिव द आंसर। सो इफ, एंड दिस हैपेंस वेरी रेगुलरली, एंड आई थिंक दिस हैपेंस अक्रॉस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड मोर सो फॉर स्मॉलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लाइक अस, वेयर वी हैव टू रियली फाइंड मोटिवेटेड पीपल जो कि who can take responsibilities upfront, who can do things without asking them to do, because don't have the bandwidth, the energy and the time to be monitoring each and every one. Systems, processes बन रही हैं, बन चुकी हैं. It's constant work in progress, right? People who are not giving their 100%, so they fall into two categories, two type. One first type is people who were giving more than 100%, for some reason now they are not. That is one category.
Okay.
And the second category is right from the word go, they are not giving 100%. All right, but they are good guys. If they are not good, they are not in the organization anyway. So that is a wrong hiring. But I am assuming that both of them are good guys. Both of them want to work. It is just that the system is कुछ तो हुआ है जिसकी वजह से they are not being able to give that 100%. Now for the first category who were once giving 100%, 200%, 300%, but now for some reason, so उनके साथ the challenge is different. We try to understand what is happening around them. क्या हो गया है? what are the things that are going on in their head, maybe a family issue, उस दिन किसी दिन हो सकता है they're going through a tough time in their marital this thing. So there are various reasons. We try to understand, we try to explain it to them, we work with them to figure out ki how do you go across this. But finally, at the end of the day, the person has to take a call what that person exactly wants to do, what will keep them happy. So we I also try to show them, it is my responsibility to show them that मैं जो अभी बोला आपको तीन चीजें, तो एनर्जी कहाँ पे आ रहा है, ड्रेन हो रहा है, क्या वो बोर हो गया काम करते करते. ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं
Yes.
कि एक समय बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था लेकिन अब बोर हो गया है. So we try to give them different responsibilities. So we try our best to keep them engaged, keep them happy, and help them give their 100%. But beyond the level, we have to have discussions which are sometimes a little tough. Second category, which is कि they are not giving 100% from the word goes, there we'll have to actually find them whether the job that they are doing and the work and the skills that they have or the liking that they have, do they match. So we try to figure that out. If it is matching, if it is happening, fine. Otherwise we move them to a different department. We again, so it's a constant process. There is no right wrong way, there is no one funda fits all, because log alag hain, people are
Look
coming
alike,
with
right?
their mentality, right? So we have to understand each and every person differently, so bring it to a level where it
Yes,
is.
I mean, as an organization, our duty is just to give them the opportunity to be happy
Yeah,
because
yeah.
already they are doing for us. They're doing the work for the organization. Because
Right.
of them, we are surviving. We are just asking them how we can improve and fix what's going on. I
Yes,
think
it's a
it's correct.
constant dialogue. It's a dialogue, and what I've realized is कि पहले 10 साल पहले जब मैंने काम शुरू किया था, 12 साल पहले, फॉर द फर्स्ट 6-7 years मैं जितना फील्ड में रहता था और कस्टमर के पास रहता था, अभी उसका 50% भी नहीं होके लोग मैनेज करना, पीपल मैनेजमेंट में, प्रोसेस इंप्रूवमेंट, इन सब में ज्यादा घुस.
Right.
सो दैट एक एरिया है जहाँ पे given a chance, I would always want to be in front of the customer. But
Yeah.
लेकिन these are now the duty callings that I have. So ये करते रहना.
I have been reading a lot of posts on about from you on LinkedIn. एक recent post मैंने देखी 5 minute or something. I really
हाँ.
liked it. Just before you're giving up, I mean, I will ask everybody who is watching this show to go to your profile and read that post. It was really very good. So can you just tell 2 minutes about that 5 minute or something?
It's upon a simple philosophy that we know in the pursuit of excellence or in the pursuit of what we want to do ahead in life ना immediate को भूल जाते हैं. What is in our
Right.
control, what is in our control, in our control is the now. अभी जो
Present.
है सो है हमारे पास, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
in if that moment we are struggling a lot, and if we are able to remind ourselves कि यार I'm struggling now, it's fine, 5 मिनट और दे देते हैं इसको, या 5 कदम और चल. आई
Very.
स्टार्टेड डूइंग डिस्टेंस रनिंग रिसेंटली, कपल ऑफ इयर्स. ये वो ना बस 500 मीटर और बस 5 किलोमीटर और. तो what it helps is what now it is a practical, मतलब मैं ना थोड़ा सा एग्जीक्यूशन वाला आदमी, आई एम मोर ऑफ एन एग्जीक्यूशन गाय, सो आई focus on execution nuggets. So it, for me, how it works is that if I have a small goal in front of me and I achieve it, it gives me the dopamine kick कि भाई मैंने
Right.
कर लिया उसको. Then it helps me, करे यार मैंने कर लिया, now let me focus on the next 5. So it
Yes,
is
yes,
that
yes.
small goals. It can be 2 minute, it can be 3 minute, or it can be 1 step or 2 step. But point is 5 का मतलब ये था कि थोड़ा समय और दे दो, थोड़ी
Right.
दूर और चल लो. It is very closer. See that elusive destination जो है ना वो कभी दिखता नहीं है, कभी आएगा नहीं.
Yeah.
तो जितना जर्नी में
यही है सर, यही है मेरे इसका उसका पूरे पॉडकास्ट का 15 साल के से पहले 20 साल से पहले लाइफ को 60-65 के बाद तो भी इंजॉय करेंगे.
जी जी बिल्कुल,
उसके
एब्सोल्युटली.
बीच का क्या, वो तो मेजर पार्ट है, वो आपने दे दिया किसी और को. उसकी बीच की जो जर्नी है उसके बीच में आपको फाइंड करना है क्या करते हैं, और एक और बंदा फाइंड करना है जो आपको पे करे जो आप करते हो.
बिल्कुल.
फिर going to office is not a pain anymore. When you're going to office, listen to music, call your friends. Life is smooth after that. I think this is all I just want to say. This is a good way of living life. Do the work, smile while doing the work, love your work, and
Right.
that's it. And after that, forget it. There was a very beautiful saying that work does not give you stress. Unfinished work does. Just to wrap up the session, I want to have a conclusion.
So
Let's say one or two or three, whatever comes to your mind. I mean, without any strict, you can say bullet points.
So the only way which I have realized is the हम लोग जो happiness ढूंढने की कोशिश करें, I don't know what it is. Someone ना very wise told me crassiest thing to do is to chase happiness. You will never achieve it, and you will waste your time in achieving something which is very elusive. Everything changes, right? So मेरे हिसाब से if you really अभी आपने बोला that if you really want to feel successful, if you really want to feel fulfilled, I would use the word
That's the right word. Yes, fulfilled.
fulfilled instead of successful. I think complete involvement in whatever you are doing is the answer. Complete involvement, whether you are playing with your kid, whether you are doing a PPT, whether you are talking to your boss, whether you are eating your food, whether you are watching your TV. I think complete involvement in whatever you are doing. If you are being able to do that on a task to task basis or work to work basis or uh, in everything that you do, I think that is the way to live. अब
Perfect.
होता क्या है कि कर हम कुछ और रहे होते, सोच कुछ और की चीज और के,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
तो
सही.
वो हमारा इन्वॉल्वमेंट, तो हम लोग बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट करने लग जाते हैं, हम बात करने लग जाते हैं व्हाट इज वैल्यू, व्हाट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये सब
Yes.
ना कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं हम चीजों को. क्लैरिटी चाहिए, इसे काम करें, इन्वॉल्व होके काम करें जो भी कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हो हम लोग, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली उससे ना अगर इन्वॉल्व होके काम करें तो उससे जॉय है, विल फील जॉयस.
And I think it will also give
Lead to,
success also,
yeah, it will
because
lead
now
to,
it will
lead
improve
to
your
make you
accuracy
happy.
and yes.
Absolutely, it'll lead to make you happy, it'll make you smile. So that's about it.
Very good, very good. Okay, I think it's time for me to thank you. I
Thank you
just
so much,
want
sir.
to,
Thank you for the
yes,
opportunity.
if you want to tell my audience if they want to find more about you and your organization and work, where they can find.
So I am there only on LinkedIn. I am not on social media. I am only
Okay,
on LinkedIn. My name is Siddharth Bose. I am the founder of a company called Bricks. You can hit on my profile.
so that's the
That is
best way to reach you. Yeah.
that is the best way to reach me.
Thank you very much, Siddharth. Thank you for
Thank
your
you so much,
time.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you so
see
much.
you.
Good night.